Hello everyone, welcome to Framework Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of web designing, I am going to illustrate lecture number 12. This is a HTML lecture and I have already uploaded 11 lectures in this series. I hope आपने वो वीडियोस देखे होंगे. अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं, then please watch those videos in the HTML series, in the web designing series on this channel, Framework Educational Hub. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं, then please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the notification bell. As soon as you press the notification bell, you will receive the notifications of my latest uploads. So let's start with the lecture number 12. Here, I am going to illustrate this particular example, and here I am going to give an example of inline styling. So there are three kind of style sheets. I will discuss the particular style sheets in further lectures, but here I am going to give an example of inline style sheet, and here I am giving the style tag. Actually it is an attribute which I am giving with the paragraph tag. Here you can see that P stands for paragraph tag, as I have already discussed in the previous videos. Here P, I am normal. Then in the P, I am giving an attribute style, and here I have defined the color. So here it is important to note the syntax. As you can see, style equals to double quotes, then color is preset, that is keyword, colon, and then the color, whichever color you want to give, then semicolon, then again closing the double quotes, then the text and the closing of the paragraph tag. Similarly, here also I have given some other color like blue in the same way, and here the style font size equal to 36, font hyphen size colon 36 pixel. So 36 pixel font size is given for this I am big. So let's see, I have saved the document with Ctrl S, and now I am going to browse it on the web browser. You can choose the browser of your choice, whichever is installed on your computer system. Here I am going to choose Google Chrome. Let's see. Now here you can see that I have given the heading, center aligned heading, inline style. It is written here in the center. I can also give the underline tag and here respectively closing tag. Or now we can see that paragraph I am normal, style color red. So here I am not giving the font tag for the color purpose. As you have seen in the previous lectures, I have given the font tag. I have used the font tag to define the color, size, etc. But here I am using the style attribute of the paragraph tag as inline style sheet in this particular example. So you are having an option that you can use this style to apply the styling on the text. So here color red, color blue, and now here you can see font size 36. If I will just give 16 font size and I am saving, Ctrl S, now refreshing it, you can see the font size is decreased. Again I am just increasing the font size to 26 pixels, and now you can see the visible changes. Now again to 36 pixel or 46 pixel, now you can see the visible changes. So I hope you are getting my point, that in the previous lectures I have discussed that for applying any styling or the font color and font size, you can use the font tag. But here I am giving an example that how to use the style attribute with the paragraph tag to apply the styling. If you haven't watched my previous videos, then please watch them, and then you will get an idea about the font tag and other tags which I have discussed. So I hope you have understood this particular video. If you are having any queries or any problems, then you can just drop your queries in the comment box for me to work over them. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Framework Educational Hub. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.